Morning, everybody. 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan with the 3.8. We're going to change the thermostat in this thing today because I've unplugged both fans and it's 35 degrees in Illinois and it's still running about 140 degrees. We've got a thermo scanner that I shine a little on right here on that neck, and it's actually running stone cold with no heat. When I sit still, it gets up to about 180, but something's still going on thermostat related. It's not letting the engine warm up. I went ahead and clamped the upper hose, and if you can see it here, one going to the heater core comes in the back side of this neck here. I've crimped those off and I've left the cap on. I'm just going to put this pan underneath there to catch anything that hits the ground. That way I don't have to drain the whole system back and refill it again. So I'll go ahead and take this off here. Well, I just took this off. I'd say there's something wrong with that thermostat. I already pried it up out of there. There you go. Not supposed to look like that. So I'm going to put this new Gates in. I think this one was a Murray, if I remember right. I'm going to go put it in. When you do put it in, you want to make sure you don't put it in backwards or anything crazy like that. And this pinhole goes at the 12 o'clock position. So when you put it on, it is straight up and down like that. And I got the good gasket, a little bit pricey, about $6 or $8, much better. Okay, so I went ahead and hooked everything up, unclamped both this hose and the heater core hose that I had clamped back there, rinsed everything off so it wouldn't stink, and let it run for a few seconds to burn the steam off. Now if you watch the radiator, that pinhole in the thermostat allows the air to escape before the thermostat opens. So it's, in a sense, it's almost priming itself right now. Once the thermostat opens up, you'll see this level here drop as it starts circulating. Then I'll be able to top it off real quick, check my overflow tank, make sure it's full, and then I'll put the cap back on, we'll be done.